Welcome to the Purdue Extension Marion County Demonstration Garden, right here at the Indiana State Fairgrounds. Every summer during the fair, more than 15,000 visitors stop by to enjoy this space and discover what's possible in their own gardens. At the heart of our garden is the All-America Selections display. This means we showcase nationally recognized award-winning plants that have proven to thrive in Indiana. It's a place where beauty meets education, where you can see the very best vegetables, flowers, and ornamentals side by side. Our vegetable plots highlight practical techniques for growing food in urban spaces, while our ornamental beds show off creative plant combinations and colorful designs. What makes this garden truly special is our team of Purdue Extension Master Gardener volunteers. They plan, plant, maintain, and harvest everything you see here. Their passion and knowledge ensure the garden not only flourishes, but also inspires every visitor who walks through. Education is at the heart of what we do. Through workshops and demonstrations, we share tips on soil health, pest control, and successful planting so that you can take what you learn and grow at home. We love for you to visit us in person and stay connected on Facebook and Instagram at PEMC Demo Garden for updates and events. See you in the garden.